Hello, everyone. So I'm going to talk to you about my first technology that and website that kind of wanted to go over. Probably one most of you are pretty familiar with. It's Kahoot. I really enjoy this website for review purposes, to review information, and just kind of a fun way where kids can compete and still, learn. So it can get a little rowdy in class at times, or at least it does in mine, just because I hype it up pretty big. But like in this particular video right here, animal digestion, if you really wanted to play this, really all you do, you can go up to this little discovery bar up here, and then, you would look up animal science, um, and then digestion pops up there. You jump into that. So what you do is you can hit play on it, and you can get it set up. And the kids can either do this over their phones, or if you're 1v1 Chromebooks or anything else, you can have them look it up on that. You can play teams. You can play kind of just player on player. So we'll go in there to classic, and it'll say ready to join. It'll give you a code. So at that point in time, what you would do, and they have just the best music. It's the exact same one every time. But you would get on their cell phone or other device. I'm going to turn that down because seriously. And they would punch in that code, and then they would play. So let me grab my phone real quick. Perfect. Probably should have been ready for that before, but you go in, you find your Kahoot app on your phone, and then you go ahead and you punch in the number. So I'll go in, I'll hit enter pin, and then you punch in the number, and this time it's 197957. Enter that in. You put a nickname in there. We'll do some weird face. So now, boom, there, I just popped up right there. So now I'm going to start and go ahead and play this. So at that point, what you're looking at says which components appear to be much larger than other components. You'd be like, oh man, which one is this? I don't know. Let's guess. Okay, the rumen will say. So then you should be able to click on it on your phone. Yay me, got one right. Awesome. So you end up going through all of those, and as the teacher, then you would hit next. It would move on. Yay, I'm winning against myself, which was, it was in doubt for a while, but managed to pull it off. It's pretty impressive. But anyway, you go through there, and then by the end, there's a podium, and and then so it'll be kind of one of those deals of, hey, this is what goes on. Oh man, missed one. So then it'll tell you missed it, and then you go back down, you do all that. But by the end, it ends up being really good. I think kids can learn a lot of it in a fun way that allows them to, one, I'd say, really challenge themselves in kind of an anonymous way, because you can put in whatever name you want. It will not allow profane names, which is kind of a big plus. I mean, people will try to do something silly, but you can control all that as the teacher. You can kick them out. You can do kind of whatever you want. So let me get to the end here, which will just take a few more seconds as I just skip over everything, and then I'll just kind of show you the little bit of the podium there, and then it'll then you'll have a really good idea of exactly how that goes. So you're kind of seeing the teacher side. The student side is basically you pick the triangle, the diamond, the circle, or the square. All right, so yay, with 842 points, with a whopping 1 question out of 11 right, the weird face wins. So you would normally have others, and they get really excited about that. So thank you very much. Appreciate you watching.